When you start your online coaching business, you might feel extremely overwhelmed with which platform you have to use for what and wondering like where you should invest your money. So in this video, I'm about to do a Kartra review. So this is the all-in-one marketing platform that I use to run my online business. Hi, I'm Fabienne Raphael, creator of the Dream Method and online business coach. And yes, I wanted to address this topic with you today because I remember when I got started, someone told me, buy this one for your landing pages and buy this one for your calendar and buy this one for your email marketing and buy this one for your payment gateway and all that stuff. So of course, there's a learning curve for you to learn all these different platforms. While in fact, I'm so glad and so happy that I found and I discovered Kartra because you have several features within the same online marketing platform that answers so many questions and help you run your online business so much more efficiently, having to learn only one platform. So during this video, I'll dive into my account of Kartra and show you the different features. Also explain to you like how much money you might save when you decide to invest only in that platform compared to a gazillion of other ones. And then, of course, there will be other videos about each and every single one of these features, how you can use them and how it makes your life so much easier. Okay, so without further ado, I will share my screen with you and we will go on my Kartra account. So it's right here. So I log in. All right. So when you get in fact, you see how many features you can have on Kartra. So you have features for your products, your communication. So the CRM, like the communication you want to have with your audience, pages, you can build pages there, membership sites, you have places to host your videos, your calendars, to do surveys, you have a section about your help desk, campaigns that you're running, your integrations, your agency if you want to have, and then of course affiliate promotions. So in fact, I really invite you to subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about these different features, because I will make sure that you know exactly how to use each and every single one of them. And in fact, that you might decide to actually adopt Kartra as your all-in-one marketing platform. In fact, if you're interested in doing that, there's a link in the description of the video below, and then you just go on and get started with that account. So let me give you an idea of just like, for example, the pages that you can create on Kartra. In fact, I'm really, really happy about this platform because all my website pages are done out of Kartra. So here, as you can see, I have several pages. So landing pages, but also like pages explaining my free training, pages from my my homepage from my website. So if you want to know what it looks like, so here's my homepage from my website, and all this has been done using Kartra, right? So it's very easy, drag and drop type of thing. It looks slick, it looks amazing, and it's up to date. It's not like those old websites that you could say they're coming from the 90s or even the 2000s, okay? Here's another example of page where you have my media features here. So all the podcasts I've been on and my media publications, online publications I've been on, and some testimonials. And then what other example can I give you? I can give you my waiting list that's actually mostly like a landing page. So inviting people to sign up for my athletes conversations or my podcast coming soon. So you have an idea of how slick and nice these pages look like. And as I said, just doing them, especially like if you're getting started and you don't necessarily have someone doing them for you. In fact, it's very user friendly and easy to change and just like play with. I don't know if you're like me, but of course, like I have someone on my team that designed these pages for me. But I remember when I got started, I mean, I was enjoying myself diving into these websites, like to create stuff, because design is kind of like one of the things that I really appreciate. But yeah, so it's very easy to use, and you'll have fun using these. Okay. What else can I show you? The memberships. Yes. So I have a membership here called the Coaching Biz Accelerator. And then let me just show you what it looks like. So basically, when you're inside there, let me go into the content and show you what it looks like. So here you go, like, so this is one of the welcome page of the membership. So it looks like pretty good, right? And then you have a page for each and every single chapter or module that you have. It looks good, in fact, and it's easy to navigate, right? So if people have, to watch a video and then they have to download some information or worksheets, it's in there, and it looks very slick and very nice. And that's what I love with it. Again, even when your members go into it, it's very easy for them to access the information and download everything. I know that my members really appreciate that. So if we go back to here, what else can I show you? Yeah, the calendars, for example. So I have different calendars. So one for my strategy calls and then one for the connection calls. So strategy call is mostly for people applying to work with me and then my clients. And then connection calls are from people who want to connect with me for any type of reason, to collaborate or to offer me a speaking gig or anything else. And then I had done a very specific calendar for a special group of people that I work with a few months ago, and I really wanted to create a special space and availability for these people. So I created that calendar. What's cool about the calendars is that, of course, you could definitely, how do you say that? Synchronize your calendars with other ones. So for example, if I take my connection calls and I edit it, you can have your logo here and then the color that you want, and then the schedule, and then you want to synchronize it with other calendars, right? So basically, like for me, I want to synchronize it with my 2 other calendars, but also with my Google Calendar, because sometimes people invite me for meetings and I accept it on my Google Calendar. So this is with my integrations. I'll show you afterwards, like how you can integrate your calendars through Kartra. And then the registration is free, but you can change it. Like if people have to sign up and pay for you to have a strategy call with them or some type of service, then you could definitely put it there. Also, you have a message when people are scheduled, they receive a success message, and then you can have reminders and all that stuff. And it's very easy to use, as I showed you. And you can allow or not people to cancel their session. If you want instant approval or not, you're able to do that. And then what you want to do also afterwards is an automation. So if you want to tag these people as connections or as clients or whatsoever related to the calendar, then you can do it right away. And if you want to synchronize them and add them to a specific sequence on your platform, then you do so, and it's easy, right? And then it's finished. Yeah, so that's wonderful. And what it looks like, let me show you. So this is my calendar page using Kartra. See, it looks nice, right? So therefore the person like just chooses something and then they fill in their information and then it's over and then it's booked. Very easy, user-friendly. So I told you about the integrations. So you can go there and then you could add an integration for many things, okay? So if you want to add one for, let's say, calendars, okay, so it's related to two of my calendars here. But then if I want to have like another one, then it's you could definitely add another calendar to make sure that it's synchronized and you don't have any double booking. Okay. One other thing that I wanted to share with you is that, you know what? You're saving a lot of money using Kartra because remember that I told you about, you have those several features. You can put your products, you can do your email marketing, you produce your landing pages or even your website on it. You have your forms, so your sign up forms when people are on your landing page and then they end up on your list. You can build a membership site, you host your videos there, you put your calendar link here, you can build surveys. Yes, I built a survey lately. And it was to actually give me some information about the topics for my athletes' conversations. And many people filled in the survey. So again, very user-friendly, very easy to use. And in fact, a lot of people answered that survey and it was great. So let me give you an idea. Let me give you an idea of, the amount of money that you could definitely save by using Kartra. So for example, if you were to use another email marketing platform, for example, like ConvertKit, and you had like 1,000 subscribers, then you would have to pay $50 a month. If you want to have a membership or, some content, some online course, and you want to go with Teachable, then it's $80 a month, right? For like, and when I tell you about the amount per month, it's like the amount of money that, is mostly used, okay? Calendly for your calendar. So it's $12 a month. So to get to your schedule, right? Typeform, if you want to do some surveys, this is $49 a month. And then Samcart, if you want to do, if you want to have an external a gateway for people to pay you to get your money for your business, then it's $49 a month. So the total is $240 a month if you were to invest in all of these separately. And Kartra is only $99 a month. And it's very user-friendly, as I said, and it looks nice, right? And the customer service is pretty good. I mean, I rarely had issues with Kartra, but when I ask questions, most of the time I get answers like very, 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 very quickly. Okay. I mean, as you can see, there are a lot of features and it's really worth it to invest into that. For me, it definitely changed like the way I run my business. I've been with Kartra for the last 2 years, I think 2-3 years. And I wouldn't change it for anything because as I said, it's just like one place where I have and can see everything, and this is amazing. If you are interested into logging into Kartra, right there in the description, I will add the link for you to sign up for this platform. And yeah, don't go into, I'll buy this, I'll go this, and I'll listen to that, and I'll try that on. I mean, bottom line, when you have one place where everything is so easy to use, then you might as well go for it, right? So listen to the other videos where I will go a little bit more deeper on how you can use each of these features. Subscribe to my channel just to make sure not to miss anything, and I'll see you in the next video.